Lakou, I guess the name and the branding of it came into being because I'm of Haitian descent. My family is from Haiti, and Lakou is actually a Haitian word that means like backyard or courtyard, and it's essentially the place where the community hangs out. It's a place where religious ceremonies take place, where herbs are grown, where people play, where people just chill. So I thought that was a fitting name for the space that I wanted to create. So we figured we can try to bring the outdoor in. So essentially, when the design concept came to being, we're just thinking about like how do we essentially create the feeling of a backyard without actually being in a backyard. So as you can see, we have like lots of plants in this space. Our tables look like, tree trunks. We have like wicker, which you would see in a lot of, homes, but we didn't want it to feel old. We wanted to feel like contemporary. Having like bright colors that, the green that reminds you of the outside. Having like lots of natural stone. So, that was essentially our goal. I think we did a good job. Yeah, so initially, a member of Sweeten reached out to us after I filled out some form online, and they explained the process to me, and they wanted to know a little bit more about what I was trying to do and what our budget was. I think though probably the most valuable thing about Sweeten is just that it seems like the contractors really appreciate being part of that community, and they don't want to jeopardize that in any way. So their goal is to make me as happy as they can be. And I guess I don't have a strong fear that if the project's done and things aren't perfect, which they're never going to be completely perfect, that I'll never hear from this person again. So the wall that it was on originally didn't have exposed brick, but we got rid of some of it, and we did expose the brick. But what was great was that it kind of gave a little shelf underneath it, so that we could put a bench and it can appear like it's floating even though it's not actually floating. So that was a way that I thought that was great that he came up with to help us get the aesthetic that we want, but still have it be practical and be able to support a lot of bodies and weight.